So I thought that I could answer that by talking about Amazon, or I thought I could answer it by talking about somebody who's actually doing Facebook ads really, really well. Well, obviously Trump's not doing his own ads, but the Trump team are doing Facebook ads at a next level compared to the majority of people on Facebook, not just Amazon advertisers, but the majority. And so I am a big believer in learning from all different sources, and regardless of what you think about Trump or your political leanings, you can and should study success. I mean, that goes without saying, I think. You can and should study success. So here's what we know. The week after Trump ordered the military strike on the Iranian general in Iraq, the week after that, 4,000 new ads appeared on his Facebook page. I'll show you that in a second. And I monitor, all of these kind of political... In the UK, I monitored the Conservative Party when Brexit was going on, and they had a masterclass in Facebook marketing as well. It's like the same people are doing it. I don't know if that's true or not, but it's like it is. And certainly Trump it's another masterclass in how to do it. So each ad was targeted to like a micro niche with a micro demographic, asking them to take an official Trump military survey and disclose their views on how they perceived Trump's actions in relation to that key event. And then from that survey data, Trump's campaign team knows exactly how different segments viewed that military strike. They can then retarget people based on how they responded. And they found the exact words and phrases that resonate with all those disparate groups of people, which is extraordinarily smart. And I'm going to show you the ads in a second. So, you also should look at like what Bernie Sanders is doing and the other kind of Democrats to see what they're doing. And right now, as far as I'm concerned, Trump's marketing on Facebook is crushing it. And if we were just going on that, it's pretty clear to me that Trump will win the next presidential race, and the Democrats won't even know how he did that. But if you look at the marketing he's doing, I think he'll easily win the next campaign race. So let's look at the marketing, okay? Now, if you haven't seen this, I'm going to share this with you. Doink. Send to all. If you don't know how to get here, I should show you that first. When you come on the page, you come down to page transparency, and you can click on see more. So it tells you all this information here about who's managing this page and all sorts of cool stuff, okay? So very, very smart what's going on. All right, so all the summaries here, page history is here, and then here it says ads from this page, go to ads library. So you can do this for any brand, any people that are running ads on Facebook. You can do this, all right? So whilst I'm showing you Trump, because it's a masterclass, but you can also go and look at your favorite brands on Amazon and see how they're doing this, okay? And you should do that too. But here's a masterclass. So you can filter by different countries and active and inactive, and all the ads are now inactive because the Iranian thing's kind of done. But you can look at what was going on, how they did it, the different images they were running. Here's the official Iran foreign policy survey right here. Hopefully you can see that. That's all there. So let's just click on one of the ads. Take the survey here. Let's just click through, see if there's anything there still. So look, I'm now being redirected to the Trump website, Trump foreign policy. Look at what they're tracking in here. Here's the UTM source or blah, blah, blah. There you go, look. So they're getting crazy amounts of data about how to market Trump to to people. They're getting ludicrous amounts of data about that. It is a masterclass, and look at the money they're spending to do that. Unbelievable. Anyway, that's Facebook done properly. That's Facebook done at a very, very high level. Say what you like about Trump, whether or not you like the guy or like his policies, because the two obviously are different. It's irrelevant. As marketers, we can learn, and that's what I think we should be doing. Learning from people who do this at a very, very high level. So that's who I think is doing Facebook ads really, really well right now. That's who I think you should go study, regardless of what you think about the guy. His Facebook ads are masterclass. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.